In today's episode of Level Up, we're taking a look at an entry-level boom arm for $25.99 that includes the riser right there. Can it do the job at $25.99? Is it going to let you down when all you're trying to do is get started, get set up, and you don't have the Brinks truck outside? So if money is tight and you just want to make sure you get the best bang for your buck to get started and want to go up and over your monitor, we're going to take a look at it. The Innogear MUHP025. That's right, I had to look down because when you got those kind of numbers and initials, I'm sorry, can't memorize it. Not going to do it. But what we are going to do is put this thing to the test in this episode of Level Up. Full disclosure, just before we get any further in this review, Innogear did provide this boom arm for me to review on this channel. As you guys know, I always operate by an ethics statement, which I send all the vendors. And I have a pre-existing relationship with Innogear in which they know they can send me stuff. Doesn't guarantee when I make a video review. And if I do make a video review, I like the product, I've gone over it. Doesn't guarantee that I'm going to give them a specific result. All the opinions expressed in my reviews are mine and mine alone. Having said that, let's get on with the review. And it's entry level. It's $25.99. As you can see right now, in the intro, you saw me with the 2.13 pound Samson Q9U heavy duty 2 pound plus all metal microphone. This is the Rode PodMic USB. This is over 2 pounds as well. And it's got all kinds of insane reach to go up and over the monitor, and it's holding it just fine. And you know what? Is it, any kind of dip? Nope. Doesn't matter where I put it. It's going to stay there. It's crazy. Just absolutely crazy. If you want that radio DJ look in your podcast, you got it. So there you go. Not too complicated. $25.99. Up and over. Holds it just fine. What came in the box? All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box for the Innogear MUHP025-4272-ZVB. No, just kidding. Just the MUHP025. Right there. Just make sure. All right, here we go. Opening the box, we get some really cool squishy styrofoam, just in case you were wondering. Running out, running low. They got plenty of it in there for you. All right, moving on. Got some really cool instructions to let you know which end to hook up the microphone and which, it's all in here. We've got some plastic clips, Velcro strips right there. Are we in focus? Can we get in focus? Can we get in focus, people? All right, so there you go. This is really the big one for any microphone stand is, as you can see here, it's lined up with the clamp all in one spot. Boom arm extended on top of that. So that's the key. That's the key. And we've got that. Here is the boom arm. Got our boom. We got some plastic in case you want to hold on to that. End clamp, which allows you to hook up different style mics. There on the bottom, you can see that the clamp that comes with it allows you to hook up to certain microphones that are out there. The Audio-Technica AT2020, HyperX Quadcast. It gives you the other adapter to hook up to microphones like the Shure SM58, the Shinko, the Fifine K6, and the Samson Q2U. And, of course, the screw adapter, threaded end for regular studio-style mics like the Fifine AM8 and all these other microphones you see here. And as you can see right there, can we get some lighting in there? Oh, helps if you loosen that up. There we go. Or, what I really like about this one, the only reason I agreed to do this review is a affordable entry-level boom arm for you guys that has a riser attached to it. What? Me likey. All right, let's take a look. All right, so now I've mounted the Innogear boom arm to a desk setup, as you guys see here, using the riser attachment to the front of the desk. Are you wondering, can this thing handle heavy-duty mics while going up and over a monitor? Well, right now I've got it on the low end, low setup, but you can go absolutely. Now, I would say about almost 3 feet up in the air. So if you're wondering about the reach, my hand is out, swinging it around, and I still have to lean in about 6 inches in order to just touch that boom arm. So plenty of reach up and over a monitor, but depending on your size, 32, even 34 inch should go over top just fine and hold a heavy duty mic. How heavy? Well, the Shure SM7B, which a lot of you guys use, this comes in at about 1.7 pounds. The Rode PodMic USB, another popular live stream mic that has now been released this past year, this comes in at 2.06 pounds. The microphone you see on the stand right now is the Samson Q9U all metal build body, comes in at 2.13 pounds, and it is holding it just fine. Now, just to let you guys know, the only way it doesn't hold a heavier mic is if you try to extend it all the way out. Okay, but if you go, let me bring this microphone back up. Holds it just fine above, holds it just fine below. It's just when you try to extend it all the way out, that's where you might need to go with the more expensive boom arm. But any other way, this thing holds it and holds it just fine. There's no drop, there's no wiggle. And again, it can go over top anything and still give you great audio. Also, for $25.99, you get several attachments to connect to a boom arm. So if you got one of those boom arms or microphones like so, you can hook on there. Or it also gives you a standard handheld microphone grip as well. There's also a clip on here that you can attach to your boom arm that allows you to hang your headphones. And as you can see right here, still holding it. Headphones, microphone, no drop, no dippy. The Innogear HP, yes, I'm cheating. HP, or no, I got it wrong. See, this is why we cheat. The MU HP 025 boom arm with riser extension, $25.99 on Amazon. Absolutely worth it, especially for those just trying to get started on a budget. This will do the job just fine. Up and over your monitor, can handle any mic that I could possibly think of. I mean, the Shure SM7B was the lightest microphone that I tested on this thing at 1.69. The Rode Pod Mic, again, 2.3 pounds. And this one was like 2.13 or 2.16. Just the heaviest one I have here in the studio. And did just fine. So there you go. That's it. So if you're looking to get started, you're not going to be throwing away your $25, $26 if you get this one to get started. Do the job just fine. All right, so those are my thoughts. Thank you for joining this episode of Level Up. My name's Mike Newman. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell because I don't know why I'm doing that. Stop it. Anyways, appreciate you guys. If you like this content and you don't want to miss out on future stuff, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future content as it comes up because it is coming. So until I see you guys in the next video, I'm out. Medic!